Hi, David here. This video is dedicated to my mother. Love you, Mom. So she's battling the life-altering disease ALS. It has not been easy. So in the description below, we have a fun setup for her. You can check out that link below. So leave any comments also on this video. And let's get to the carving the sign. Today I'm going to use the base plate attached to the makita, the compact router makita, and a profile bit from makeawoodsign.com. So let's get to the carving. Alright, in this bit I have the 5/32 of an inch Roman OG. Do a light pass first. Put a 7/16 60-degree V groove into here. See how this works. Alright, I'm gonna call it a day. Get right at it next time. So in the next scene, I'll start again. So we're going to peel off the blue tape. sand it down. So I'm going to use a 60 grit sandpaper. Then I'll go to the 220. Get some safety glasses and some dust mask on. Wipe it down real good. Alright, now I'm just going to put a clear coat on it, and it is done. It looks nice. Alright guys, the sign is finished. There's the clear coat on it. My first wood carved sign with the router and the base plate with the profile bit. I'm liking it very much. I'm going to go ahead and sign it on the back. I'll put love your son. Thanks for watching, and I love you, Mom.